Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to unrestrict on Messenger if there is no option. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, what we're going to do is to check if our Messenger is up to date. So to do that, let's go to the App Store or your Play Store if you have an Android, and let's search for Messenger through the search bar. So just type in Messenger, and let's tap on Messenger once it loads. And from here, if you can see the open option, that means that your Messenger is currently up to date. However, if it shows an update option, so just tap on that because that means that your Messenger is currently outdated. So updating it will help you have the latest features, including the feature of being able to unrestrict on Messenger. Once you have done that and it is still not working, we can go to our settings. Let's go to General right here and click on iPhone storage. From here, you should be able to see a list of your apps. So let's just scroll through and find Messenger. So tap on Messenger right here. And what we can do is to offload the app. So tap on Offload and tap on Offload again. So offloading the app will clear the cache and hopefully fix this issue. And once it has been offloaded, just reinstall the Messenger app and open up the Messenger application. So let's open the Messenger right here. And from here, click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Click on Privacy and Safety right here. And click on Restricted Accounts. So as you can see, I have restricted one account right here. Tap on that. And you should be able to see the Unrestrict option right here. So you can tap on that if you want to. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.